Hello everyone, welcome to Drummond Estates Simulator Game Shooting, Scotland. During this film, we'd like to showcase our new Highbird practice drive. We've got targets from 45-50 yards to at least 70 yards. It's a very challenging drive. It's set in the scenery where you shoot pheasants. It's wonderful in every way, really. The scenery here is spectacular. You look at the height of the targets coming over your head. If you're serious about your shooting and you want to improve on your shooting, this has got to be where it's at. These targets are extremely challenging. Our Highbird package is available for 5 guns. It's a maximum of 5 guns. We also offer, alongside this, we offer full day simulator game shooting. That's 5 drives, start off in the morning with the first drive, shoot that, second drive, 11s is after that, and then third drive, lunch, and then after the third drive, we'll shoot 2 other drives. Yeah, we like our corporate events. We take up to anything from 8 to 16 guns, but we can do more. If you're interested in the Highbird practice days or anything else we've discussed in the video, you'll find all the costs online on our website or on our Facebook page. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to hearing from you.